Well, just days after a judge allowed convicted murderer Jodi Arias to act as her own attorney in her sentencing retrial, one of her other attorneys, now in an advisory role, says he wants out. He's had it. Kirk Nurmi, he was the lead attorney during her main trial, yeah, right there behind her on the left there, filed a motion to quit representing Arias as a defense attorney. Actually, that was a picture of the two lawyers. Jennifer Wilmot was in front, not Jodi. Jury selection begins 1 month from today in the retrial that will determine whether or not Arias is put to death or serves life in prison for the murder of her former boyfriend. The jury that found her guilty of killing Travis Alexander couldn't agree on her punishment. So now a new jury will be sat to determine her sentence. And joining us now to talk more about this, legal expert Brian Foster, an attorney here in town. And so here we go again. I mean, there's never a dull moment in this case. Are you surprised that Kirk Nurmi is trying to quit?
You know what? He's been trying to quit for over 3 years now. Going back to 2011, he's made repeated requests to the judge, and the judge has uniformly denied his request to get off the case. I think that she's saying, you know, you're in for this nightmare all the way through. So
Jodi has made it very clear she doesn't like the way he's representing her. He's saying he doesn't want to be with her, and you don't think the judge is going to let the two of them split up. She's going to keep them together.
I think it's like a bad married couple. The fact is the judge is going to say there's only a month left in the trial, the death penalty phase. You've been in it for 3 years. You're going to finish this out. There's no way she's going to let him off this case.
Okay, so Jodi is the lead attorney for the defense at this point. I mean, how hard is it to have two attorneys on the same side who don't like each other and don't want to work together? How difficult could that be?
Well, I've never had a problem like that with any of my clients.
Of course not.
Of course not. But it is extremely difficult. It makes it it's like a bad marriage. I mean, in terms of her actually being able to get the best quality representation, you need to be able to work with your attorney, even if it's in an advisory capacity, which is what he is. I frankly think that he's thinking, look, you know, she doesn't want me. We don't like each other. She's bashing me publicly. Judge, let me out. She's not going to let him out.
You think the judge is going to say no?
She's going to say finish it.
You're stuck right where you are.
Finish
All right. Brian Foster, thank you so much.
All right.